Hi, welcome back to Let's Learn with Mrs. W. I'm Mrs. W, and today let's learn about the letter B.
Let's learn with Mrs. W. What are we learning today?
I'm going to be reading a page from Our Land Abounds in Alphabet Sounds, and then we'll be learning how to make bubbles. Let's get started. This is called Banjo Bilby. Banjo Bilby is a very busy bilby. She lives in a beautiful burrow she made by herself, next to a bright blue billabong. Banjo's bed is made of bark and leaves. She has many bush friends, including a butterfly called Bernie. Banjo loves living by the billabong. It is her home. One of her favourite things is blowing big bubbles and watching them burst when they try to blow away in the breeze. Wasn't that wonderful? Now let's learn how to make bubbles just like Banjo does. What you will need is some dishwashing detergent, some water, some honey, and a pipe cleaner or a bubble blowing wand. You're going to start by putting 2 cups of water into your bowl. Next, you're going to add a 1/4 cup of dishwashing liquid. And lastly, you're going to add 1/6 cup of honey. When that's all in, you're going to stir it together until the honey dissolves. That shouldn't take too long. And once it's dissolved, you're going to get your pipe cleaner and turn it into a circle shape. Hook it over so it stays in place. And then I'm going to be using this as my bubble wand. Thanks for learning with Mrs. W. See you later.